Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn the similar tools in a part and part design workbench. If you want to learn FreeCAD from the scratch, then you can buy my complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. This course also available on Udemy, but problem is that Udemy only give me the 37% of a course selling. You can see here user had paid $15, but I have only got $5. If you wanted to see the review of my course, you can go to the Udemy and search for the FreeCAD, and you will see my course, complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. And this course is took by the more than 2000 students, and I have got the rating of a 4.1. For the demo lectures you can expand it and see the demo lectures and the course structure, but I will request you, if you found my course interesting and the reviews of the other student on Udemy, then I would request you to buy my course from the my coffee shops, because if you buy from here it will help me a lot. So once you buy my course, you will be redirected to the Google Drive, and here is the my course, complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. Go inside, and the sections I have shown you on my Ko-Fi shop page. So exactly same lectures under the section is created. For example, section 1 is introductions to FreeCAD 1.0 and what is new in FreeCAD 1.0. So if we go to the section 1, so there are the 18 lectures, and if you go inside of this sections 1, you will find the 18 lecture total. And once you go to the lecture 1, you will find a video file which you can download to your system, and you can watch it. And this course is updated on a equal interval of a time once the new features is came, and once you purchase the course, you have the lifetime access to the course. And in the case of any doubt, any query, you can mail me at admin@macnexus.com. You can find my course link on my YouTube channel. You can see the course link, and you can also find my Ko-Fi course page link on pin comments and video descriptions. FreeCAD provides too much flexibilities to create a part. Either you can create a part with the help of a part workbench, where you can use the primitive solids and perform the boolean operations. And second thing, if you have a work with any CAD tools like a SolidWorks, Inventor or CATIA, then you will get easily familiar with the part design workbench, because part design workbench, here you create a sketch, extrude it, means sketch is your base. So if you have any prior experience with any of these CAD tools, then you can easily master the part design workbench. There are some pro and cons of a part workbench. Like in part workbench you cannot create a sketch, you have to do the boolean operations. But main benefit of a part workbench is that if you are making any complex part, if you are, then addition and subtractions is works like a magic in a part workbench. For example, if you are working on any STL files and you have converted it to the solids, and you want to subtract to the one body from the others, so that is the very easy in a part workbench. Whereas in a part design workbench, if you are modeling the mechanical components, then modeling is very easy in a part design workbench. So both the workbenches are very robust, they have their own use. Now we will understand the what are the similar tools are common between these two workbenches. So here I have took a screenshot of a part workbench and part design workbench, and Here you will see the tools like a pad, revolve, fillet, chamfer, swept and loft, and we have also these tools in a part design workbench. So if you understand any of the tool in a workbench, for example, if you understand these tools in a part workbench, then you can easily understand in a part design workbench as well. And if you learn first in a part design workbench these tools, then you will also get easily learn with a part workbench. So these are the tools which are the similar in a part and part design workbench. So I have covered in a detail of these tools of a part design workbench. Therefore I am not covering separately for this part workbench. Therefore if you learn this, then you will automatically get learn this. The only way of using is slightly bit different, but fundamental is the same. So this is the all about the similarities between the part and part design workbench in FreeCAD. So this is all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.